Hello guys, so in this video I will tell you that how to make Twitter account private. So first of all I want you guys to like this video and also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all we will open up the Twitter application on our Android phone. So if you are on iOS you can also watch this because the process will be the same. So once we have opened up Twitter application, you need to tap on your profile image at the top left here, and then you have to scroll down and then you need to tap on settings and support here, and then you will tap on settings and privacy here. Okay, and then you will tap on your account here, and basically you need to go back and then you need to type on your privacy and safety here. Now there are bunch of different privacy options that you can change which can make your account more private on Twitter. So the first one is your tweets. So tap on this one and mark media your tweet as containing material may be sensitive. If you want you can enable this, or if you want you can disable this. Also if you go back here and go to our audience and tagging, here you can see where it says protect your tweets. Only current followers and people you approve in the future will be able to see your tweets. Okay, so if you turn on this option, your tweets will not remain like no one will who don't account follow your account will not be able to see your tweets. Okay, so you have to enable this option, and this is just the one option that you need to turn on in if you want to make your Twitter account more private here. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next video.